Welcome to the launch of our newest product, Pastel Highlighters. Here we have it in our mini and pen style. We also have our fluorescent highlighters in the pen style, mini, and dusk style. You can shop all of these highlighters at basicstore.com. These new pastel highlighters come in a set of 5 beautiful shades that are perfect for adding a pop of color to your notes, textbooks, or even artwork. Here we have soft rose pink, peachy orange, lilac purple, sky blue, and mint green. For the mini highlighters, they come with a detachable cap clip with a ring so you can attach them to keychains, book bags, or lanyards, making it ideal for doing tasks on the go. Both the pen style and mini pastel highlighters have a narrow chisel tip which allows 2 line widths, broad line for highlighting text, and fine line for underlining details with just the twist of the wrist. Our highlighters dry quickly and don't bleed through most paper, including glossy and thin papers. Smear and smudge free. What's awesome about these pastel highlighters is that they can be used for many things. Here we have some bullet journal examples on how it can help enhance your spreads. This first one is an example of weekly spreads. You can use these highlighters to create colorful and organized weekly spreads. The different colors can represent different days of the week or different types of activities. Next, we have a habit tracker, where you can have different colors be used to track different habits, such as workouts, water intake, and any hobbies you enjoy doing. For any goal setters out there, color code your goals specifically for finance, self-care, relationships, and more. Lastly, we have an example of a monthly spread. Similar to the weekly spread, you can use different colors to represent different weeks or use one color like we did here. Be creative and have fun with it. If you're a student or professional, these pastel highlighters are great for highlighting text when taking notes or studying. Use it to emphasize important text, and with the 5 different pastel colors, it can represent different types of information. Thanks for tuning in today to learn about our new pastel highlighters. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest product launches and tutorials. And if you love what we see, be sure to give us a thumbs up and leave a comment letting us know what you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.